Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone present on that side. I Vinay again welcome each and everyone on the Live Physics VK channel, and here we are again present to continue our class 12 electrostatic unit. And in electrostatic you all know that we are dealing with the capacitance, and what we have deal till now in the capacitance means what we have discussed in the previous lecture about the capacitance that I am going to discuss in a quick manner. So in the previous lecture we continue with the storing of the energy, means previous to previous lecture. If I go summarization of the two lectures, so we have studied about the amount of energy stored in the parallel plate capacitor, then we discuss about the energy density, and then we discuss about the redistribution of the charges. In the previous lecture we started from the numericals of the redistribution of the charges, so we have done some numericals on that, and then we discussed the last and the most important derivative part of the capacitance, which was when a dielectric slab of certain thickness is inserted in between the two parallel plates of the capacitor. So what would be the new capacitance? So we discuss about that. We discuss the particular cases related to such kind of condition, means slab की कुछ cases हम लोगों ने देखे. What will be happen if a metal plate or sheet is inserted? So we have discussed up to now. Now I am going to start, or we are going to start from the same point where we left on the last lecture, and the last lecture where we left was in between the PPC. So this was your parallel plate capacitor, and in between that parallel plate capacitor, what we inserted? We inserted a dielectric slab. Dielectric that I discussed, we inserted a medium which is insulating, and that medium has certain thickness, and cap small d shows the separation. So now we are, or presently I am going to discuss with you just only 1 mark simple question, because इसी question से related एक छोटा सा basic concept ही है that we are going to discuss, and related to that there is a one numerical that has been asked in the IIT Roorkee. So we are going to do the same numerical, and along with that what we are going to do, we are going to discuss the concept. So firstly try to understand the concept. So you can say first case is when dielectric slab is inserted. So in the PPC we are inserting the dielectric slab. So we are continuing the case जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने last lecture left किया था. So your PPC means your first plate. Outside the plate there is no electric field, we all know that. So electric field outside the plate is always zero. We already discussed that. The electric field the only exists in between the plates. तो electric field केवल plate के बीच में लगता है, and in air. So this is your air, this is your medium, and this is your again what? Air. So if we want to draw the variation of the electric field, अगर हम लोग electric field का variation draw करना चाहते हैं तो check this out. So this is our first plate. So this dash dash represents the first plate. This will represent you the second plate. So outside the first plate means on the left hand side, which is the outside factor. So outside what is the electric field? So there is no electric field. Now electric field only exists in between the plate. So this is your first plate. So we are resembling both of the diagrams. So this is the diagram and this is the graph, or you can say the variation of electric field. This is the variation of electric field that we are going to study when a dielectric slab is inserted. So what is here? So this is your air space, and in air what is the electric field? In air electric field in between the plate is sigma by Efficient naught. So there would be some electric field in air. So this is the electric field in air, and it would be sigma by Efficient naught. And we all know that electric field, according to Gauss's second application, that electric field due to a single thin plate is sigma by 2 efficient naught, due to single thin plate. And what was the important factor that we came to know about that? That electric field due to thin sheet is sigma by 2 efficient naught, due to single one plate, and it does not depend upon the separation. Means it is always constant. वो केवल सिग्मा पे डिपेंड करता है और मीडियम पे डिपेंड करता है. Unless until sigma is not changed. Sigma stands for surface charge density, and surface charge density can only be changed by changing the charge or by changing the area. तो सिग्मा भी चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं और इनिशियली अभी के लिए एयर है तो इट इज सिग्मा. तो जब तक आप एयर में हैं तब तक आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या? सिग्मा बाय एफिशिएंट नॉट. Now, so this was the electric field in air. Here we have electric field in medium, and we all know that in electric field medium is always decreases by how much time? K time. So our electric field decreases, and throughout the medium the electric field remain how much? Electric field in medium is equal to electric field in air divided by dielectric constant. So पहले आपका electric field in air था something, now it is decreases. Done. Now in medium, ये आपका medium है. So in medium it remain electric field in air divided by k times. ये भी हम लोगों ने last time देखा. After removing or after completing the medium, since medium is completed here, what comes again? Again comes the air, and if the air comes, so electric field वापस से कितना हो जाएगा? It would be again E naught by K. So this would be electric field in air is again, it would be sigma by efficient naught. So this is the variation of electric field with the separation. But what is the separation? Separation is in between the plates. So this separation is T, and this separation is complete T, and this would help to you understand the concept. I hope you are clear. What would be the variation of electric field? Air में ज़्यादा रहेगा, it would be sigma by efficient naught. In medium, it would decrease by the dielectric constant. It would decrease by relative permittivity time, मतलब K time decrease हो जाएगा. And in air again, it would become again sigma by. So it would go like that. Then it downs constant, फिर वापस से ऊपर. But in particular medium, जब तक आप किसी particular medium में हैं, तब तक आपका electric field remain the same. If you are in air, it would remain the same. If you are in particular medium, हाँ वहाँ पे air के respect में it decreases, but it would remain electric field in air by k times. Done? So this is the first variation of electric field when the dielectric slab is inserted. The second point that I want to discuss, what is that second point? That the variation of electric field. So we are going to study again the variation of electric field when metallic slab is inserted. When metal slab is inserted, not the dielectric. यहाँ पे insulator की जगह पे let us insert the metal slab. So this is our PPC. In this PPC, we inserted again what? A slab of thickness small t, and the separation between the plates is again small t. But this time, this slab is not a dielectric. Dielectric means insulator. So इस बार ये slab insulator नहीं है. This time this slab is what? This slab is metallic in nature. So let's start again. How does the variation is going to happen? चलिए एक बार वापस से बात करते हैं इसमें. So again, these two dotted line represents the two parallel plates. Okay, what is here? Air. So this is electric field in air. This is electric field in medium, and this is also again electric field in air. So in air, the electric field in air. It is sigma by efficient naught. So you all are clear. Now what comes? Medium comes. But इस बार medium कौन है? Who is the medium? Metal is the medium. And we all know that for metal, for any metal the dielectric constant is infinity. Means the relative permittivity of any metal is infinity. We discussed in the previous lecture, mean the second case if you remember, जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने चीज को लेफ्ट किया था. और we also discussed the relative permittivity of metal. हम लोगों ने starting second lecture, it means when we studied about the Coulomb's force, we discussed at that time point also. So if K is infinity, so electric field in medium is electric field in air divided by infinity. Means here the K would be infinity. For any insulator K कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. But for metal K is infinity, and if K is infinity, so 1 by infinity 0 means the electric field inside the metal is 0. तो अंदर कोई electric field नहीं होगा. So till the metal there is no electric field. Electric field is 0. Let's suppose this is your ground or you can say your origin. तो अब आपका electric field 0 और after the metal फिर से क्या आ गया? There is what? Again the air. And in air the electric field again becomes sigma by efficient. So this would be the variation of electric field when metal is inserted, and this would be the variation of electric field when the slab is inserted. So in metal or in slab, in both the cases electric field decreases, but here the electric field decreases to K times, but here the electric field decreases to 0. यहाँ पे electric field 0 ही हो जाएगा finally, because for the metal K is infinity. I hope you got this variation. आपको ये variation समझ में आया होगा, because this is the variation जो बहुत बार as a objective exams में पूछे जा सकते हैं. But it is not in that manner. In the CBSE or in a direct, चलो what would be the effect on the electric field when the slab is inserted? Okay, आप बना सकते हैं. If I ask you a simple question, first of all draw this, or first of all you can say note it down this data. Variation of electric field. So we are doing the variation of electric field when slab is inserted and when metallic slab is inserted. So initially it is dielectric and second case is metallic. Done? Okay, now if I want to take out the question which has been asked in the IIT, or you can say the variation जो आपसे पूछा गया है, the question that was asked that how would the variation, what would be the variation of the electric field if we have a PPC, but this PPC contains 3 different materials. This PPC contains 3 different materials. Initially we have air, then we have metal, or in place of metal I can write the copper. Okay, or let's suppose the third case is a dielectric whose dielectric constant is 2. So this is the question. So I want you all should do the question, and the question is draw the variation electric field for above case. So here we have the above case. I am again repeating, this case contains 3 different materials. Material number 1 is air, material number 2 is copper, material number 3 is a insulator, or you can say dielectric, whose K is equal to 2. जिसका K का वैल्यू कितना है? 2. Now you have to draw the variation. So air में कितना होगा? सिग्मा बाय एफिशिएंट, और मेटल में आप जानते हैं, और K is equal to 2, it would become the half of the sigma by efficient naught, यानी air का half हो जाएगा. आपको उस वेरिएशन को ड्रॉ करके देखना. And this is called when the multiple materials are, or you can say more than one different materials are added in between the plates of the capacitor. Okay, so first of all, this is your one question that you are going to do. So please note it down. Air, copper, K is equal to 2. You have to just only draw the variation. Done? Okay. Now, since once you have completed this numerical, now I want to go, or we all are going to jump onto the next type of numerical. So this is just only simple 1 marks question है, आपको variation बनाना है. Okay, done. Now we are going to study on the particular type of numerical. As I told you, we have completed all the derivations. हम लोग derivation done कर चुके हैं. Now we are going to study the particular cases of the numerical. And if I discuss, so अभी हमारे लिए बस only we have just only two different cases, or you can say two different types of the numerical. वैसे तो types of numerical कभी भी finish नहीं होते हैं. So numericals are always endless. वो हमेशा endless होते हैं. Teacher or examiner can combine any of the two topics. They can ask in any particular language. They can ask any particular point in any different manner. और आपके लिए वही different type बन जाता है. But you can say अलग अलग कैटेगरीज को देखते हुए क्लासिफिकेशन हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स से ही बनाते हैं. सो फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर क्लासिफाइंग द न्यूमेरिकल्स इन इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स. वी क्लासिफाई इनटू द कैटेगरी टाइप 1, टाइप 2, टाइप 3. यू नो दैट ना. वेरिएशन हो सकता है बट वो पर्टिकुलर टाइप्स है. सो आई एम डीलिंग विद दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइप एंड वी हैव जस्ट ओनली टू पर्टिकुलर टाइप्स that we will discuss in this lecture, and we will finish out our capacitance. And once it is been done, you can say that we have finished out electrostats. But only the lectures are finished. The work is not being finished. You are going to work on the NCERT. Definitely NCERT exercise पे work करना है. Some more relevant reference books जिनसे मैं आपको content provide करवाऊंगा. So your practice should be continue with that part. Okay. So the next type of a particular numerical that we can do, or you can give the heading to that numerical, you can say numericals based on multiple mediums. You can say like that we are going to do the numericals on multiple mediums. So let's try to that. So I'm just only going with the numerical. So you can say this particular type of numerical, इसके लिए कोई new formula नहीं है. All the formulas, all the concepts are the similar जो हम लोग already पढ़ चुके हैं. बस only type. So I'm just taking a simple example. So let's work from the example. So as usual, one example that I'm going to discuss with you. The rest of example, or the you can say the assignment that you will get in the description box. You will get the link in the description box from where you can download that assignment for this particular category जो हम आज discuss करने वाले हैं. और otherwise on your YouTube, after the YouTube on the WhatsApp, please आपको वो available हो जाएगा. So the first example that I want to discuss, the teacher says we have a parallel plate capacitor. Done? So we have a parallel plate capacitor having separation between plate is D and having cross section area A. So what is the separation between the plate? It is D, and the area of the plate. Okay, I am again mentioning it is 2D. These are the two plates. So they are looking like a simple line, but exactly they are the plates. So the separation. So this horizontal distance between the plates is the small d. But the area of the plate, so this is looking like that, but actually it is the area. So I am representing this. I am not representing this length. हम इस length को represent नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are representing the area. So A represents the area of the plate, and since both the plates are identical, so definitely their plates area would be equal, and D is the separation. Now the teacher says initially capacitance is C naught. Now calculate the net capacitance. Calculate the net capacitance after adding various mediums, and the mediums are like that. So mediums are in this manner. Now the teacher says this is the first medium, with dielectric constant K1 is equal to 2. Let's suppose. Okay. This is our second medium K2 with dielectric constant 3, and this is our third medium with dielectric constant 4. So initially there was air. So initially कोई medium नहीं था, तो definitely there was air in between the plates. So at that time the capacitance was C naught. Means at the suffix there is zero like structure, so it is C naught. Now he added some medium. इस बार medium add किए गए. There are three mediums that are added, K1, K2 and K3, और उनका value भी दे दिया. K1 is added up to the separation D by 2. ये separation भी also D by 2. Okay, and this separation is A by 2. So definitely ये कितना बच गया? It would be A by 2. So K1, K2 and K3 are added in D by 2, D by 2, A by 2, A by 2 in this manner, and we have to calculate the net capacitance. Okay, so to solve such type of, or you can say na, this is the different variety of the numerical. So निकालना तो capacitance है, so we know the concept of the capacitance, but it is a different variety of asking the question, and let's do that. So since we are working in the three different mediums, हम तीन mediums पे work कर रहे हैं, and if we are working on a three different mediums, so if we have multiple medium, जितने ज़्यादा mediums होंगे, the behaving of the capacitance would be the different. Means every medium will show the different electric field, definitely. So in different medium, electric field is different. If electric field is different, the potential would be different, and if the potential is different, the ability to store the charge would be also different. Means we all know that the capacitance means the ability to store the charge also depends upon the nature of medium. So mediums are different, तो आपके पास capacitance भी different होगा. So how to solve this? Let's start with this solution here. So first of all, you have to keep in mind, you have to first of all understand that how many different types of capacitors a single capacitor can be. In the as concept of the diagram, it is a single capacitor. So diagram में तो एक ही capacitor है, we have only one pair of the parallel plate. But that one only single pair of the parallel plate contains three different mediums. So definitely it would behave like a three capacitor. So we are going to study for different medium, different capacitor. So initially, so first of all, initially work करते हैं. Initially capacitance is C naught, which is equal to, what was your initial area? Complete area was A. Medium was efficient naught, and the separation was D. This was the initial factor. पहले कोई medium नहीं था. Area was complete A, separation was D, and medium was efficient. Now, for first medium, or you can say K1. Let's suppose the capacitance is C1. Let us give the name of that. So, first of all, if we are dealing with the K1, what is the area that the K1 is covering? K1 ने कितना area cover किया है? So the area that the K1 is covering, this is the whole area. ये पूरे area को cover कर रहा है. In terms of the area, it is covering the whole A. So area would be A. Efficient naught. But since it have a medium K1, so we all know that whenever the medium is inserted, the permittivity efficient naught is multiplied with the dielectric constant divided by separation. Since we are dealing for the first medium, so what is the separation? What is the longitudinal separation that the first medium is covering? So first medium is under the only separation of D by 2. यानी first medium केवल D by 2 separation पे है, but पूरे A area पे है. So the separation would be D by 2. So it would become 2A efficient naught by D K1. And what was A efficient naught by D? It is C naught. So what would be C1? 2C naught K1. Clear? So we calculated the capacitance of first. पहले first का निकाल लिया. Now for second medium. So for second medium C2. So first of all try to have area. So what is the area of the second? So area second. So this is the second one. So second is covering how much area? It is covering A by 2 area. It is being given in the numerical. Okay, efficient knot. What is the medium? K2, because the second medium has a dielectric constant K2. We will place the value of K1, K2, K3 at the end. Last में रखूंगा इसका value. Okay. So the second is K2. Okay. Divided by separation. What is the separation of K2? So K2 is only in this separation, and how much separation it is containing? It is containing D by 2. Clear? So by 2 cancel. So what would be the C2? It would be A efficient knot by D K2. And what is the A efficient knot by D? It was the C naught. It would be C naught K2. Clear? In a similar manner for third medium. For third medium, what is C3? So for C3, first of all, let's talk about the area. So this third is covering that much area. So the total area was A. K2 covers A2. So how much area left on the downward? The area left is A by 2. Total was A, and this one is A by 2. So A minus A by 2, it would be A by 2. Efficient knot, medium is K3 divided by how much separation it is covering? It is covering D by 2. Again by 2 cancel. It would be A efficient knot by D K3. It would be C naught K3. And by this manner we are able to calculate individual capacitance. हम लोगों ने individual capacitance निकाल ली. We calculated the individual capacitance for first, second, third. So if we have three different mediums in according to this diagram, so we would behave as a three capacitors. If we have four medium, अगर यहाँ पे चार different mediums दिए होते हैं अलग-अलग parameters में, so हमारे पास चार अलग-अलग कैपेसिटेंस भी मीन जितने डिफरेंट मीडियम्स होंगे कैपेसिटेंस उतने ही अलग-अलग होंगे. ओके, सो बाय दिस मैनर वी हैव ऑल द थ्री. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द नेट. सो फॉर द नेट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, चेक दिस आउट. नाउ यू कैन से अ टेक्निक, मतलब एक तरीका है by which I can understand, and that method is, since we have the three different capacitors, so place the value, or you can say place the position of all the three capacitors. So it would be like that. Let's suppose you are walking on the road. Imagine that since we have to calculate the net capacitance, and these are the two end terminals जहाँ पे जाके बैटरी कनेक्ट होगा. So these are the end terminals जहाँ पे आपका बैटरी कनेक्ट होने वाला है. So let's start our journey from one terminal. Let's end to the second terminal. So let's suppose we started from the P, और हम लोग अपनी जर्नी कहाँ पे एंड करने वाले हैं? Q पर. तो चलिए अपनी वॉक करना शुरू करते हैं. तो let's start walking. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा वॉक करना शुरू करते हैं. Let's suppose we start walk through the P. तो हम P से चलना शुरू हुए. So the road is just only linear. तो खाली रोड था यहाँ पे. So no one is living here. So the road was straight और उस पे किसी का घर नहीं था. As soon as we reach here, so सबसे पहले किसको मिले? We first of all meet the K1, and once we meet the K1, so K1 is that person जो C1 नाम के घर पे रहता है. Simple. So first of all, once we started from the P point, we will reach to the K1. हम कहाँ पे पहुँचे? K1, and K1 will suppose or it will gives you the C1. So जब हम P से चले तो हमें पहले मिला C1. सिंपल रहता था. Now after crossing the C1, पहले C1 के घर पे चाय वाय पी लिया, नाश्ता वास्ता कर लिया. अब C1 को क्रॉस करने के बाद हम आगे पहुंचे. And after crossing the C1 means after crossing the K1, what we feel कि जैसे ही हम लोग आगे पहुंचे हमें K2 भी मिल गया और K3. तो जैसे ही हम लोग आगे गए हमें C2 भी मिला और C3. बट C2 कहाँ रहता है? मीन्स K2 कहाँ पे रहता है? C2 में. और C2 कहाँ है? ऊपर. इट मीन्स K2 lives on the upper floor. तो C2 ऊपर रहता है. तो C2 ऊपर है, मतलब C2 घर ऊपर है. और K3 कहाँ रहता है? नीचे रहता है. दोनों ऊपर नीचे रहते हैं एक दूसरे के. एंड बाय दिस वी हैव अ C3. और जब दोनों ऊपर नीचे हो गए, आप नीचे भी चाय पी के आ गए, ऊपर भी, एंड फाइनली आप लोग पहुंच गए Q पॉइंट. Understood that how we treated this as a capacitance. हम लोगों ने तीनों को individual capacitance बना लिया और अब हम तीनों को वैसे ही ट्रीट करेंगे। सो इसके लिए स्टोरी ऐसी है, डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज, ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वन एंड ऑफ द प्लेट टू द अनदर एंड। एक एंड ऑफ द प्लेट से दूसरे प्लेट की तरफ जाइए, काम अपने आप होना शुरू हो जाएगा। ये देख लो, पहले किसका घर आता है, पहले K1 का घर आया C1, फिर आगे गए तो K2 का घर ऊपर था, यानी K2 ऊपर रहता है, K3 नीचे रहता है, काम खत्म। नाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस। सो हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व दिस सिंपल सर्किट, C1 C2 C3 कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? So C2 and C3 are in parallel, so you will say C2 and C3 are in parallel. Now it is a series parallel connection. So what is the result of parallel? It is C2 plus C3. What is C2? It is equal to C naught K2. And what is the value of K2? It would be 3. Plus, what is C3? It is C naught K3. It would be C naught into 4. So 3 C naught plus 4 C naught. It is equal to how much? 7 C naught. So these two are parallel. So this is your P point. C1 is as it is, and C2 and C3 net result is 7 C naught. And this is the Q point. अब आपका simple. Now C1 and the 7 C naught, or you can say the CP, they are in series connection. So now C1 and CP are in series. And what is the result of series? 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by CP. What is C1? 2 C naught K1. And what is K1? 2. So 2 to the 4. So it would be 4 C naught plus 1 by 7 C naught. After taking the LCM would be 28 and it would be 11 by 28 C naught. And what would be the net capacitance? If I write here, please, I am writing here. So the net capacitance after taking the reciprocal part of it, it would be 28 C naught by 11. So what would be the net capacitance of this particular PPC? When the multiple mediums are added, it would be 28 C naught by 11. What is the meaning of C naught? C naught is the initial capacitance जो उसने already provide किया था, which was A efficient naught by D. मेरे पास उसका कोई value नहीं है. If I have the A, D and efficient naught, अगर मेरे पास area given होता, if I have the separation, if I have the efficient naught, okay, efficient naught तो है, I can place the value and I can solve this out. Clear? This is your first particular type of the numerical of this category and the most important one. Why the important one? Because here we are summarizing everything. यहाँ पे हम लोग हर चीज को summarize करते आ रहे हैं. जैसे जैसे variety बढ़ रहा है ना, आगे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. Initially we have done the numerical only based on A efficient naught by D. पहले हम लोगों ने simple numerical की. Then we done the when we series or parallel. फिर उसके बाद हमने मीडियम के न्यूमेरिकल्स की. ओके, एनर्जी इज द सेपरेट थिंग, वो एक अलग काम चला एनर्जी का. बट दिस इज द क्वेश्चन जहां पे आपने सब काम किया. व्हाट यू हैव डन, यू हैव स्टडीड द कैपेसिटेंस फार्मूला. सो वी आर डीलिंग विद द फार्मूला फॉर कैपेसिटेंस. देन वी आर स्टडीइंग द कैपेसिटेंस इन मीडियम. ओके, किसका एरिया कितना है हम ये भी कंसर्न कर रहे हैं. ओके, देन वी आर डीलिंग, हम लोग इस डायग्राम को रीडिफाइन कर रहे हैं. तो ये हमारा एक न्यू थिंग है, the new thing that we added to this numerical, and then we are again going back to the series and parallel. फिर उसके बाद हम series parallel को भी use कर रहे हैं. So here we are using the general formula for capacitance. Here we are using the concept of medium along with the how much area and the separation. Here we are using the diagram of the series and parallel, and since we have completed the diagram of the series and parallel, एक बार ये diagram बनाना जरूरी है, because without this diagram we can't know. और इसके लिए स्टोरी बताया ना पहले, सीरीज एक एंड ऑफ द प्लेट से अनदर एंड जाओ, देखो कौन ऊपर रहता है, या तो सारे लगातार रहते हैं, ये पहले का घर आया C1 का घर, फिर C2 का घर, फिर C3, या फिर ऐसे आया पहले C1 घर आया, फिर जैसे ही आगे गए तो ये एक कहते हैं ना 2 स्टोरी मकान आ गया. सो ये फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे रहता है, ये ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे रहता है. बस सबको ऐसे घर पे बिठा दो and it will be definitely a series and parallel. Done? Hope might be a technique काम आए घर पे चलने वाली, सिंपल सा. So if it is better, so please बताना. If you are not getting understand, फिर भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, you let me know, फिर आप मुझे आराम से बता सकते हैं. We will try on the different techniques. Okay? So this is your type 1 category numericals. और इसी से रिलेटेड वेरियस न्यूमेरिकल्स इन द असाइनमेंट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. सो दिस एज यूजुअल दिस न्यूमेरिकल शुड बी डन इन योर फेयर नोटबुक. डन? ओके, सो शुड आई रब इट? ओके, now after dealing with first type, now we are going to in the second type. So hope you have done or you have understood the numerical based on multiple mediums. If the teacher added the multiple mediums, okay, but before going to the further or you can say the second and the last variety of the numerical, I want to discuss one more thing. If I have a medium like that, if I say I have a first medium with K1 2, I have a second medium, here I will write a copper. I have a third medium where I am writing K is equal to 1, जो कि air के लिए होता है. Okay, if I am separating three medium like that, K1 2, copper, K1. Here, it is a similar diagram जो हम लोगों ने मैंने आपसे starting में what I asked for, draw the electric field variation के लिए पूछा था. Now the teacher is saying this is the area A, this is the separation D, it is covering D by 3, it is covering also D by 3, it is also covering D by 3. So we have a three different materials. So आप कम कर सकते हैं. Firstly K1, then K2, then K3. For air K is equal to 1 means K3 1. For copper, in the second medium means K2, it is not, he is not giving the value of K. He is only writing the copper, and now you are easily understood और बाकी point को आप समझ ही रहोगे. If he is writing the copper, for the copper K is infinite. तो वो थोड़ा सा याद करना है. That's why from the starting onwards I am asking you please remember the dielectric constant of the certain material. Like water का याद रखिए. Remember for water it is 81. For second, for the metal, any type of metal, whether it is copper, aluminum, gold, silver, कोई भी metal या conductor है उसके लिए it is infinite और air के लिए 1. Apart from that, if any particular metal कोई dielectric add किया जाता है, the teacher or examiner will provide you the dielectric constant. वो आपको provide करके देगा. Done? So this is the first variety of question जो आप लोग solve करेंगे, समझेंगे और अपनी assignment से इसे deal करेंगे. Done? Now we are going to discuss with the second variety of the question, and the second variety is variations of various parameters. Parameters of PPC. So where in the second variety what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss variation. Variation means changes of various parameters. So there are some parameters that we are going to study of what? Parallel plate capacitor. So we are going to study various parameters of the PPC. And for this I will not take the numerical as a reference. मैं numerical को यहाँ पे reference नहीं लूँगा. In the previous case or previous category हम लोगों ने numerical ही लिया directly और हमने उसी से ही समझा. So here I will take a theoretical concept as a reference, then we will do one numerical here और फिर उसके बाद हम लोग काम करेंगे. And this is, you can say, one of the most important type of the category of the question in the CBSE or any particular examination from the capacitance. How you can check the importance? If you go through the history of this type of a numerical, in the last 10 years, any of the zone of the, or you can say any of the category of the CBSE Valley, whether it is Delhi region, All India region, foreign set, north, any of them. So if we include all of them, it is a mandatory part. 95% there is a chance, or you can say mandatory part कि ये क्वेश्चन किसी ना किसी सेट में मिलता है. दिस ईयर अगर दिल्ली सेट में है तो नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल इंडिया या फिर अदर में रिपीटेड होता है, या कोड ए में है कोड बी में. तो 95% ये चीज आई हुई है. मीन लास्ट 10 years में 8 to 9 years वेदर समटाइम्स ऑल इंडिया समटाइम्स कंपार्टमेंट के पेपर में आ जाता है. सो किसी ना किसी सीबीएसई के पेपर में रहता है. ओके कंपार्टमेंट, ओके देयर इज वन थिंग, तो मैं आपसे पहले भी बोला था और अभी भी, डू नॉट थिंक इफ यू फाउंड एनी न्यूमेरिकल फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द रेफरेंस बुक एंड इट हैज बीन रिटन कंपार्टमेंट 2011, तो आप सोचते हो कि ये तो कंपार्टमेंट में आता, मुझे थोड़ी कंपार्टमेंट देना है, आई डू नॉट हैव टू टेक और आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक अ सीट इन द कंपार्टमेंट, डेफिनेटली none of you are going to take the seat in the compartment, आप में से कोई लेना भी नहीं चाहेगा और I wish कि आप में से कोई हो भी ना और होंगे भी नहीं, but if someone in the other side or कोई any student if he is taking the compartment, तो उसके लिए कोई separate paper नहीं बनता है, the paper of the compartment has been already decided when your main paper is decided, तो जब आपके main papers choose किए जाते हैं from the various sets कि ओके दिस इज द दिल्ली रीजन मेन पेपर, तो उसी टाइम दिल्ली रीजन कंपार्टमेंट पेपर्स भी सेट कर लिए जाते हैं, बार बार थोड़ी है कि भाई चलो अब कंपार्टमेंट आया तो बना ले, तो दे डन द वर्किंग ऑन द पेपर ऑलरेडी, वो पहले ही बना लेते हैं, ओके वेरियस पेपर्स है, ओके दिस टाइम ये दिल्ली, तो रेंडमनेस आती है, तो वैरायटी, और अगर कंपार्टमेंट का कोई पेपर मिलता है, इफ यू फाउंड द कंपार्टमेंट पेपर आइदर ऑनलाइन और एनीवेयर एल्स, अगर आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो उसे भी एज अ मेन की तरह रखो, क्योंकि वो भी कभी ना कभी मेन ही रहा है, ओके। सो देयर आर वेरियस पैरामीटर्स जिससे हम वेरिएशंस इन पीपीसी करने जा रहे हैं, एंड द केस नंबर 1 इज व्हेन बैटरी is remain connected, battery is remain connected and dielectric of dielectric constant K is inserted. This is the first case, that when we have a parallel plate capacitor, so let us suppose we have a parallel plate capacitor with capacitance C and it is connected to a battery of potential V and it can store a charge Q. So we have a battery of potential V which is connected to a general capacitor of capacitance C which is storing the charge Q. उसके अंदर Q amount of charge store है. Now teacher is asking what would be the variation, क्या क्या changes आएंगे if battery remain connected. This is your first point. So you can't remove the battery. Battery को remove नहीं करना है. Battery is going to be remain connected, and during that process you inserted a medium. During that process means battery connected है और आपने medium add कर दिया. So what is going to happen on the various parameter? Let's start. So case 1, first parameter is we are talking about the potential. So let's talk about the potential of the battery, the potential difference of the battery, or you can say the potential across the parallel plate capacitor. So initially when the medium was not inserted, whatever be the potential of the battery, whatever be the potential difference across the terminals of the battery, same potential difference is across the plates of the capacitor when the medium was not inserted. क्योंकि जितना टर्मिनल के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल था उतना ही पोटेंशियल आपकी किसके पीपीसी की प्लेट्स के अक्रॉस गया, क्योंकि डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड. तो चलिए मीडियम कनेक्ट होने के बाद या मीडियम ऐड होने के बाद क्या होगा. नाउ बैटरी इज कनेक्टेड, सो बैटरी अभी भी प्लेट के अक्रॉस कनेक्टेड है. So the positive end of the battery is connected to the left hand side plate and negative end is connected to the right hand side plate. अभी भी connected है. It means बैटरी जब तक है तब तक बैटरी का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है, और जब तक बैटरी का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है प्लेट के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस वुड रिमेन सेम, or you can say constant. So this is the first parameter. So when battery is connected and medium is inserted, there would be no effect on the potential. Potential same रहेगा. Let's talk about the second parameter. And the second parameter is capacitance. Okay. So initial the capacitance was A efficient naught by D. Okay. Now let's talk about the final stage. Means after inserting the medium C dash, Do we change the area? Means do the teacher talk about the changing the area in the medium? No. Do we are changing the separation? क्या हम separation में changes ला रहे हैं? No. So if I am not saying that the medium या separation between the plate is reduced to half या ऐसा कुछ किया तो तब तक आप change नहीं करेंगे. But I can. But अभी के लिए हम लोग जनरल बात कर रहे हैं. But we are inserting a medium, so it become A efficient naught by D into K. And what is A efficient naught by D? C. So what is your new capacitance? K times of C. So what happens to your capacitance? आपके capacitance में क्या होगा? Increase or decrease? So we will say that capacitance increases by how much time? K times. And this is the variation. So when battery is connected and medium is inserted, there is no variation in potential. So in potential there is no variation, but in capacitance it increases by K times. Done. The third parameter that we are going to study, let's suppose the charge. So we all know that Q is equal to CV. But here the potential is same. So since V is constant, and if V is constant, the Q is directly proportional to C. It means when, और हम लोगों ने proportionality के बारे में भी discuss किया, so we have discussed about that when the one of the parameter is constant, then the rest of can be taken in terms of the proportionality. अगर आपका एक parameter constant है तो आप उसे proportionality में लेके जा सकते हैं. So since V is constant because battery is connected, so Q is directly proportional to C. What happens to the C? C increases by K times. C increases by K times and charge is directly proportional to C. तो चार्ज C के directly proportional है और C K times increase हो रहा है. So therefore charge will also increases by how much time? K times. And what would be the new charge? It would be K times of the old charge. Let's suppose Q was the old charge. Because C is increasing by how much time? K time. और C और Q directly है तो इसलिए charge भी directly हो. K times increase होगा. Done? So the first was potential, capacitance and charge. The fourth parameter that we are going to discuss. So the fourth parameter that we are going to discuss is electric field. Electric field. So since we know that what is the formula for electric field? Magnitudely dV by dr. We all know that. And what is the meaning of dV? Potential difference. So V is the potential difference generally, and D is the separation between the plate. So here in this case, potential was constant. And why the potential was constant? Because battery is connected, and there is no variation in the separation. ना separation change हुआ और ना ही potential difference change हुआ because battery was connected. So since V and D are constant, thus electric field will also remain constant. So when the battery is connected or medium is inserted, the electric field in between the plate is also remain constant. Number 5. And the number 5 is, electrostatics potential energy, or you can say energy in capacitor. So what is the formula for energy in capacitor? Half Q square by C or half CV square. So we have the two formulas for energy stored in the capacitor, but we have discussed previous lecture then which of the formula means out of these two formula which formula is to be preferred under what condition. So when charge is constant we will prefer this, and when the potential is constant we will prefer this. So in this case potential is constant. So since V is constant, and if V is constant, so by using this formula energy is directly proportional to C. So the energy stored in the parallel plate capacitor is directly and it is also inversely. But it is directly when potential is constant and it is inversely when the charge is constant. But in this case potential is constant because battery is connected. That's why it is being directly. And what happens to the capacitance? K times. So therefore energy will also increases by K times. So that's why our new energy would be K times of the old energy. Clear? And the last sixth parameter that we can study about the energy, can we study about the PPC is energy density. And what was the formula for energy density? Small u, half efficient naught E square. So let's talk about the new. So new energy density, small u, half. Efficient naught stands for relative permittivity. And relative permittivity, efficient naught stands for permittivity. And whenever the medium is inserted, it is being multiplied with the what? It is being multiplied with the K. K stands for dielectric constant. What is the meaning of E? This E? This E stands for electric field. And electric field is constant. And if the electric field is constant, it would remain E square. So your new energy density would be half efficient naught E square was the old one times of the K. So that's why what happens to the energy density? Increases by how many times? K times. This is the last and the sixth parameter. ये छठा और सिक्स्थ पैरामीटर है which is being studied as a variation कि क्या क्या changes हुए. So these all are the formula that we discussed previously. So all the formulas has been derived, all the formulas has been studied, all the concept has been studied, but it is the question or it is the very part where you have to deal all the things together. यहाँ पे सब कुछ use हुआ. Concept of battery connected, formula for capacitance, formula for the charge, formula for electric field, formula for energy and formula for energy density. So we use each and every formula here. And this theoretical concept that we added here is itself the way of doing the numerical. Numerical भी आपको ऐसे ही करने हैं जिस way में आप लोगों ने parameters को noted down किए. So please, first of all, by pausing the video, please note it down your case number 1 when battery is remain connected and the dielectric is inserted. Potential constant, capacitance increases by K times, charge increases by K times, electric field also remain constant, energy increases by K times and electric field also increases by K times. Done? Okay. So please note it down. And for every point why everything is, if something is constant, why it is constant, if something is increasing, so why it is been increasing, you have to mention the reason also. Sir, this is the formula and it is directly and we can solve this now. Done? Now we are going to study or deal with the case 2. And what is the case 2? When the battery is what? Disconnected and the dielectric is inserted. So what is going to happen? Once we are going to connect the battery, so we are going to connect a battery with the potential difference V to the capacitor of capacitance C, which is storing the charge Q. Now what happens? Now battery is disconnected and the medium of dielectric constant K is inserted. तो इस बार आप लोगों ने बैटरी को तो डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया है और मीडियम भी ऐड किया. तो लास्ट टाइम you were adding the medium but battery connected था, and this time we are removing the battery, then we are adding the medium. So like that, this capacitor was like the water tank, battery was like the water pump, and charge was like the amount of the water. So let's suppose we have water tank of 1000 liter capacity. हम लोगों ने एक वाटर पंप कनेक्ट किया और उसके अंदर 500 लीटर वाटर फिल कर दिया. नाउ वी डिस्कनेक्ट द पंप. हम लोगों ने पंप को हटा दिया. सो हाउ मच वाटर इज बीइंग स्टोर्ड? अब कितना पानी है टंकी के अंदर? That how much water is being stored? 500 liter. अब if we insert a medium of dielectric constant K, check this out. If I insert a medium, so initial capacitance was A efficient naught by D, and by adding the medium, capacitance increases. So initial my water tank was of 1000 liter. So that was the capacity of my water tank, and that water tank contains 500 liter by the pump. बैटरी की वजह से उसके अंदर 500 लीटर पानी है. अब बैटरी डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया तो पानी कितना है? 5 है. ओके, टैप ओपन नहीं करना है, ये मत सोचो सर टैप ओपन कर दिया. So you are not opening any particular type of. So how much water is being stored? 500 liter. Now by any means मैंने मीडियम ऐड कर दिया. ओके, वहां पे कोई मीडियम ऐड नहीं करते, बट फॉर एन एग्जांपल by any means I increase the capacity of my water tank. मैंने अपने वाटर टैंक का कैपेसिटी बढ़ा दिया. कैपेसिटी बढ़ा दिया वर्ड मींस लेट्स सपोज इनिशियल कैपेसिटी वाज 1000 लीटर. नाउ मैंने एक ऐसा वाटर टैंक बना दिया उसे जो 2000 लीटर वाटर स्टोर कर सकता है. सो माय कैपेसिटी बिकम्स 2000 लीटर. तो मेरा वो वाटर टैंक जिसका पहले कैपेसिटी 1000 लीटर था और उसके अंदर 500 लीटर वाटर है. क्यू इज द अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज है, तो 500 लीटर पानी है. अब उसका कैपेसिटी 2000 लीटर है, तो अब उसके अंदर कितना पानी है? अभी भी पानी उसके अंदर कितना है? 500. ना तो वाटर ऐड हो सकता है ना वाटर सब्ट्रैक्ट. वाटर सब्ट्रैक्ट तब होगा जब हम उसमें से किसी चार्ज को या पानी को निकालेंगे, तो हम ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रहे. और वाटर ऐड तभी होगा जब आप वाटर पंप लगाएंगे, मींस बैटरी लगाओगे, तो बैटरी तो डिस्कनेक्टेड है. तो कैपेसिटी चाहे बढ़ जाए, जितना अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर उसके अंदर ऑलरेडी स्टोर हो चुका है वो उसके अंदर उतना ही रहेगा. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लर्निंग पार्ट इज when battery is disconnected, what remains the same? Charge remains the constant. Means capacitor charge हो चुका है, your capacitor has been charged, and now you are removing the battery, and once you are removing the battery, amount of charge will remain the same. But what will happen to the capacitance? It will increase by k times. So capacitance depend upon area, medium and D, and medium is increased by k times, so definitely. So what we get to learn, that whether the battery is connected or whether the battery is disconnected, capacitance will always going to increase. वो तो हमेशा ही बढ़ने वाला है k times. Okay, according to this parameter. Now the third parameter we are going to study is potential. So we all know that since Q is equal to CV, so what would be V? Q by C. And since Q is constant, and if charge is constant, so the potential is inversely proportional to capacitance. And if potential is inversely proportional, but capacitance increased by k times, so capacitance क्या हुआ? Increase हुआ k times, but it is inversely proportional to V, so what would be the potential? It is decreases by k times. This is the meaning of proportionality. If you are directly proportional, you would behave like your right hand side parameter, but if you are inversely, so if your right hand side thing is increasing, so left hand side is going to decrease. And if it is so what would be the new potential? V dash would be V by k. So it is decreased by k times, or you can also say it is increased by 1 by k times. So decrease by k time, or you can also write increase by 1 by k times. Now the fourth parameter is electric field. So what is the formula for electric field? V by D. So it means electric field is directly proportional to potential. Done? But in the previous case the potential was constant. But here the potential decreases by k times. And potential decreased by k time, but the potential is directly proportional to electric field. So electric field also decreases by how much? K times. So what would be your new electric field? It would be E by K. You can again write decreases by k time, or you can also mention increases by 1 by k time. Done? Now our next is energy. We are going to again study. Energy has again formula half q square by c or half cv square. But here the charge is constant, so we will use this formula. Since Q is constant, and when charge is constant, energy is inversely proportional to capacitance. And what happens to the capacitance? It was increases by K times. But since it is inversely, so what is going to happen to the energy? It would be decreases by K times. And what would be the new energy? It would be U by K. You can again say decreases by K times, or you can say increases by 1 by K times. Now, let's talk about the last parameter that we have discussed in the previous case, and this one is the energy density. So the initial was half efficient naught E square. Now, since the medium is added, so efficient naught with the K, but electric field also changes in this case. And what is the new electric field? It would be E by K. So the new energy density would be new permittivity by into K into square of the new electric field. But the new electric field is E by K, so it would be E by K square. And when you solve this, it would remain 1 by 2 efficient naught E square by K. It would become K square, it was K, and once you solve this, it would be divided by K. So your new energy density would be small u by K. So what happens to the energy density again? Energy density also what? Decreases by how much? K times. Or you can again say increases by 1 by K. So this is our second case of the variation of the PEPC. That first case when the battery was connected, second case when the battery is disconnected. बस आपको यही चीज ढूंढना है कि क्या कंडीशन है, whether the battery is connected or disconnected. And concept, when battery connected, potential remains the constant, and when the battery disconnected, जब आपने बैटरी को हटा दिया तो बैटरी नहीं है तो पोटेंशियल भी नहीं सेम रहेगा, but what is going to charge is going to remain constant. And this is your second parameter that you are going to note it down. So please note it down first of all. Done? Okay. So now the numericals that I am going to discuss in a quick manner, and this is our last concept that we are going to study. After this we can meet on the some special numericals. You know that we discuss on the electric field and electric force. You can say some hot type of the typical numericals. So the numerical that I am going to discuss here, that a parallel plate capacitor PPC of capacitance C, okay, is charged by a battery of potential V. Now after some time battery is removed and medium of dielectric K is equal to 2 is inserted, but along with that I want to modify, or I want to add more typicalness in this numerical, that battery is being removed, a medium of dielectric constant K is equal to 2 is inserted, and separation is halved. Separation is half. तो ये चीज और ऐड किया मैंने. I am going to add more typicalness in this numerical. Okay. So now how would number one potential, number two capacitance, number three energy stored, get affected. This is the type of question which has been asked frequently and the most of the time in the CBSE or any particular competition exam. बहुत बार पूछा गया, जो मैंने आपको बोला था ना, in the last 10 years it has been asked 8 to 9 times. This is the variety of question always. Okay, the thing that we changes the medium, we changes the battery position, और sometimes हम separation के साथ भी काम कर लेते हैं. So let us discuss this typical problem. I want to discuss with that, and once you understand this typical problem, the rest of the problem are going to be very much easy for you. Okay, so what is happening? Going to have that we have initial capacitance. Initial capacitance C, which is being charged by a battery of potential V, or you can say initial potential V. And because of that, initial charge Q. So these are the initial parameter. Now what happens to them? We are doing three things. Battery is being removed, or you can say we are in disconnected case. So battery is disconnected, medium of dielectric constant K, and the separation is halved. So here we have done three things. हमने तीन काम किए उस PPC के साथ. We disconnected the battery from the PPC. We add a medium of dielectric constant. अब तक तो हमने यही दो बात की थी, battery और medium. But along with that, he added one more thing, that the separation is also half. तो medium add किया है, but उसके साथ साथ separation को आधा कर दिया है और battery को disconnected किया. So let's start with that. So battery is disconnected. Or in disconnection, what remain the same? Charge remains the same. So first of all, ये चीज आपको clear होना चाहिए. If the battery is connected, the potential difference across the plate will remain the same. If the battery is disconnected, charge जितना store है वो उतना का उतना ही रहेगा. So Q remains the same. So let's talk about the capacitance. सबसे पहले capacitance को deal कर लेते हैं. So new capacitance, I'm talking about the new. It would be area. So there is no talking about the changing the area. Area के बारे में कोई बात नहीं हुआ है. Efficient not K, but separation is being changed. So जो चीजें change हुई है वो नहीं कर लीजिए. Rest of को same रखिए. So it would be A efficient not 2. And what was the old separation? D by 2. This 2 will go up. It would be 2 A efficient not by D. And what was A efficient not by D? It was C. Okay, this would be 2 to the 4. Sorry, 2 to the 4, and A efficient not by the C. So new capacitance would be 4 times of the old capacitance. So we got the answer of the second. So how would the following get affected? Your capacitance will increases by 4 times. Now, the one small thing that I want to add particularly here. That small thing is, I asked how this get affected. So I am asking the manner कि ये कैसे change होगा. So you have to write this sentence, whether it is increase or whether it is decrease by how much time. अपना आंसर यहाँ मत छोड़िए. Do not left your answer. C dash is equal to 4C. क्या? I haven't asked कि what is the new capacitance. If I ask what is the new capacitance, then you will say it is 4C. I asked how it is affected. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ वो कैसे change हुआ, उसमें क्या इफेक्ट आया. So you will have to mention whether it is increase or decrease. और अगर increase हुआ तो कितना टाइम, और अगर decrease हुआ तो कितना times. In a similar manner, after the capacitance we have the potential. So we will discuss about the potential. So since we know that Q is equal to CV, so V is equal to Q by C. Q is constant. That's why potential is inversely proportional to capacitance. And since capacitance is 4 times, increases by 4 times, therefore potential will decrease by 4 times. Get the answer? Rest of technique वैसे ही है जैसे हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल कर रहे थे. The only thing that I do separate ये वाला. तो इसलिए do not get रट्टू तोता for these two particular cases. उन्हें रट के मत जाइए. कि इंक्रीज बाय k टाइम्स ही होगा। यहाँ पे तो k 2 था तो फिर या तो 2 टाइम नहीं हुआ 4 हो गया ना, बिकॉज यहाँ पे सेपरेशन भी चेंज हुआ। तो रट्टू मत बनिए, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे चेंजेस जा रहे हैं। सो योर न्यू पोटेंशियल वुड बी v by 4, okay, decrease by k time or you can say increase by 1 by 4 time. I think third case can be easily done. Energy, कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज होना चाहिए, कैसे यूज होना चाहिए, that you can do easily. Done. So this is the last thing that I want to discuss with you, last variety of the question, and we have done most of the varieties of the question. There are some typical problem, we call them as a particularly horse. We will meet with them, but before that we have done this, and we can say that till now we have completed the capacitance, and once we completed the capacitance we are done with the electrostats. So here our first large unit, which carry 8 to 10 marks in the CBSE, has been completed, and now it's your time that you have to start, you have to practice for the previous, and as I mentioned earlier in the previous lecture कि आपको तैयारी रखना है, because we are going to get start with the test series in the next week. तो next week में आपको मिलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. So please do it quickly. Doubts, everything clear out कीजिए. Note it down this question. Rest of the question will be in the description box में आपको link मिलेगा जहाँ पर से आप लोग इसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. Most of you can get from the WhatsApp. अगर please so go from here. डाउट है कमेंट बॉक्स व्हाट्सएप कुछ भी दीजिए, क्लियर इट और अभी खत्म कर दीजिए. सो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स इज बीइंग डन, फिनिश, खत्म है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट यूनिट, बट बिफोर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू गिव, आई एम गिविंग यू द 3 to 4 days spare time. So it has been your, I think आज क्या है, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे. So 3-4 days हैं आप लोगों के पास. Just complete it. Okay, then we will start with the electricity. Please.